Very good morning, friends. I am recording live to show you the disparity between the underlying Nifty and as well as the call option. Whereas in Nifty, you are seeing buy signals over here and it is above the Gann HiLo. Whereas in call option, same 24,600 call option, you are seeing there is disparity. It is the signals are all red. It is below the pivot, this is very interesting. You need to notice that because if you would have taken any position, you will lose money. Why? The reason is most probably the premiums are sold to become cheap. So here the underlying is neutral, whereas the call option, when related to the call option, it is all the pivots are red. Even the Gann HiLo red. I am on the 15 minutes chart of the underlying. Let me change it to the same. I am on the 15 minutes chart on the call option. Let me check the put option, what is happening in the put option. I'm applying the put option. Even in the put option also, both call option, the Gann HiLo negative and the both, that means both call option and the put options are sold. They are selling both the call option and the put option. So most probably to make the premiums discounted. That is the reason. There is no buying in the market. Today it is a seller's market. You are not seeing on the call option or otherwise in the put option. So this is a very interesting thing, and this indicator is so sensitive. It is telling you don't buy the call option. Do not be the buyer in on the call option or either on the put option. You are going to lose money. Thank you very much, friends. This is a quick update and a quick observation how this indicator is telling without any seeing the data or anything. Indicator is pointing out towards both call option and put options were written. So thank you very much, friends. Nalina Swami signing off.